Hello everyone, wherever you're watching this video from. In the previous video, I showed you how my booklets named new chapter in mathematics grade 9. Today I want you to show you another booklet which is grade 10 to 12 now, volume 1 and 2. So volume 1 and 2 is for upper grades, which is 10 to 12, including GCE. So here are the cover pages. So volume 1, we have two booklets. So volume 1 questions and volume 1 answers. So the cover page for volume 1 is like this. So this is the cover page for the book. So of course here there's new chapter in mathematics, master examiners questioning styles, 2025 edition, volume 1, of course paper 1 and paper 2 under one book, 2016 to 2024 questioning. So those are the grades 10 to 12 including GCE. Okay, so it's best for you. Our aim is to engage minds and building futures. So that is the cover page. That's what you find on the cover page. And for the answers, this is for the answer. Let me show you the one for the answers. So this one is for the answers, okay? That one there is for the answers. So that is our cover page for the answer booklet. Okay, so that is the cover page for the answer booklet. Okay, so let me now show you the content for volume 1. So the content for volume 1 questions are here. Okay, as you can see, the first page there, it shows the rights of the author. It says no part of this booklet shall be reprinted or reproduced without the prior written permission of the author. Copyright Machai Kahilu 2025 edition. So our main focus is to see what is included in this booklet. So in this booklet you are going to find sets, paper 1 and 2. You are going to find index, paper 1 and 2, algebra, paper 1 and 2, matrices, paper 1 and 2, approximation, sequence and series, functions, variation, coordinate geometry, probability, quadratic formula, which is also quadratic functions, constructions, circle theorem, social and commercial arithmetic, vector geometry, and eighth geometry. So these are the topics which are included in this booklet, volume 1, new chapter in mathematics, volume 1, 10 to 12. It is best for you as a grade 10, for you as a grade 11, and for you as a grade 12. Not forgetting you who is upgrading under GCE. So GCE questions are also included in this booklet. Useful for you as a teacher and you as a learner. So this book is not just focusing on the learners only or focusing on the teachers. No, it focuses on all the two categories. So a teacher can use it to assess the learners and the learner can use it to revise. So like I said, the first page, it shows the table of content, and then on the next page we have now the contents which are starting. So these are the sets. These are the set paper 1. These are sets paper 2. So the moment you are done paper 1, all you need to do is just start doing paper 2. As simple as that. Okay, so then on the next part here, it shows sets paper 2. Sets paper 2, sets paper 2. This is how sets paper 2 are questioned. And also down here we have, of course it continues. Here we have index notation. You are going to learn on how you can evaluate those questions there. And then we have algebra. You are going to learn or to solve questions on how you can solve, simplify, expand, factorize, and so on and so forth. And then we have also there is still algebra. You can see how the questions are phrased, how the questions have been analyzed. So it's simple and straightforward, easy for studying and revising, and also easy for accessing our learners, because I don't have to start checking page by page or flipping the pages just looking for one question. The moment you open one page, you found all. And then here we have a algebra paper 2 questions. Yes, there's nothing like you need to buy now paper 1, I need to buy paper 2. No, just buy this one and you bought for 2 papers, 1 and 2. Okay, so these are algebra paper 2. Then we have matrices there. Don't forgetting that our aim is you mastering how examiners question phrase questions from 2016 to 2024. And then down here we have approximation there. Like for example, you've been given those questions, you need to know how to get the absolute error, percentage error, relative error, how to get the limits, upper and lower limits, of course. All those are included in here. And then we have the sequence and series, which is AP for paper 1, and sequence and series, which is GP for paper 2. You need to know how to find the common ratio, sum to infinity, sum of nth term, and so on and so forth. Then we have functions there. You're able to see how the book has been written. It's nice all the time, not just nice to you, but to everyone. Yes, of course, you can see for yourself how we have written the book. Okay, just like that. Variations there, we have variations. We have what topic is this? Coordinate geometry. Then we have all these topics here. So if you want to get a copy or copies, you can make your orders via this number on the screen, that number there. Let me just try to zoom it a little bit. Okay, so you can call this number here if you want to get some copies, or maybe you want to order so that you can be selling at your place of work. Okay, so that number you can call or you can WhatsApp. We'll get in touch with you and then we shall deliver your books. Okay, so let me quickly go down. So construction, those are questions for constructions. Those are the questions for constructions. This second theorem. This is how second theorem have been phrased. Second theorem, we have social and commercial arithmetics. Even vectors are there. So that is how vectors have been written or asked. And then we have earth geometry there.